In this video, I will take you through 5 YouTube channels that are not carnivore, but hopefully will help you as you progress through your carnivore journey. Each one of these channels provide useful tips to help you. And yeah, I will let you know which one is my favorite. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope you stay till the end. Okay, so the first one is called, the name of the channel, which I'll put on the screen, is called The Bearded Butchers. I would be looking at my phone, so please bear with me because I took some notes. So the Bearded Butcher YouTube channel is an authentic butcher shop. It focuses on 3 pillars, which you hopefully will be able to work out once you visit their channel. Remember, these YouTubers don't need me to promote their channel, but they're very, very good channels. I think over 1 million or so subscribers with very useful information that could help you, like I'm trying to explain. So on this channel, you will find things related to grilling, barbecuing. It talks about grass-fed versus grain-fed. It gives you more information. It talks about steak versus steak. So that will be quite interesting to watch. It talks about different buying tips, the process of making sausages, the best method of cooking like a prime rib. And it also offers you with its own selection of their signature spice blend. I know as a carnivore, you most likely don't use a lot of spices, but I do. And I think this channel is very meat heavy anyway. It's a butcher's channel, so you will get a lot more information than what I'm telling you here. So I hope you visit their channel. So that's number 1. Number 2 is Ethan Shikboskui. I mean, I'm so sorry if I haven't pronounced that very well, but yet again, I'm sticking the name on the screen here. I really do love this channel. The reason I do love this one, which is my favorite, is he explains his philosophy behind cooking. And there's a lot of emphasis on how he generates flavor. And that's what I really love about this channel. He actually had one video titled, Why I Cooked Meat Straight from the Freezer. He did not only discuss the reasons why he cooks meat straight from the freezer, he also provided various reasons of storage, and then he also offered meal planning. What more could you be looking for? And this is to do with beef. I really encourage you to check out that channel. It was very interesting. That video in itself was very interesting, but his channel would provide a lot of useful information. So that's number 2. Number 3 is Kusina Nilola. What I like about this channel is it provides easy preparation for meals. There's a lot of focus on meat preparation, chicken, fish, and much more. This YouTuber is from the Filipino background, and it obviously reflects in their cooking, and it offers various ideas, and you will get a lot of inspiration from this channel in terms of cooking. Of course, you're a carnivore, maybe on keto, you would be selective about what type of spices you choose to add in and the selection of your oil. So I'm sure you know that, but I guess you get your some inspirations from this one. Number 4 is similar to number 3, and the title of this channel is called Cooking at Home, Cooking Delicious. This channel is just like number 3, like I mentioned, and it provides easy, simple meals such as chicken. I think this channel is more chicken heavy. And I guess the reason why I maybe came across this channel is that I don't really like chicken, but yet I needed to find some inspiration to cook chicken to make it a little bit more tasty and delicious so I can at least eat some chicken. You know, it's funny. One thing I noticed about chicken since I've been on the carnivore diet is I don't find it filling. I don't find it tasting. I would have the wings, and that's just about it. And I guess I have the wings because I could chew the bones. That's just me, really. But this number 4 is a very good channel to watch. You can get some more inspirations from it. Now, the last one, which I can't pronounce, but I've put the name on the screen here, you can see, it's more of a channel where let's say you have your non-carnivore friends coming around and you want to cook maybe meat or chicken or fish, but yet you want to present in such a way that it comes across as appealing. This is the channel for you. The presentation is fantastic. It tells you, it describes to you, or it shows you different ways and easy ways really to prepare these meals. And yes, you will find most carnivore friendly meals on that channel. And these are the 5 channels that I enjoy watching, even though they're not carnivore, but I still enjoy watching them because I get some inspirations on how to cook, how to store food, and much more. Thank you so much for watching. And thank you for stopping by. And please subscribe to my channel. I should say that a bit more often now. I have to learn how to say it. Please. And let me know what would you like me to talk about next. Thank you and God bless you. Bye-bye.